what I have here, my November Bibbidi Box. And it is Thanksgiving, which gives me thanks to have this box. So come with me on this unboxing journey. So my box came yesterday, but I thought I'd open it today. And since I had a nice Thanksgiving lunch and don't really have anything to do this afternoon, I thought I'd record this episode. And hopefully, people who are home for Thanksgiving will be able to watch this unboxing. I cannot wait. So why don't we get to it? First of all, I just want to point out all of the cute designs that they have on this. The Christmas tree truck, I think, is one of my favorites. They've got gingerbread people and ornaments and all that jazz. So much holiday goodness. They always do a good job with these boxes. I love the Halloween box as well. So anyway, here we go. Okay. Let's get this started on the road. All right, so I got some green paper here and a little pamphlet. It looks like a card. Have yourself a Mickey Little Christmas. From our family to yours, wishing you a wonderful holiday season filled with warmth, happiness, and magic. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your family. This box was curated and packed with love by us to you. We hope we were able to bring a slice of joy and magic into your life. We look forward to what 2021 brings and wish you a happy new year ahead filled with even more magic. With love, the Bibbidi family. And mine says, a quick note about my box. This box has fewer items of higher value as opposed to more items of lesser value. We hope you love it. To change this option, please update your preference manager account. Cool. And then there's also the packing slip, but we don't want to have spoilers right away, so we just put that over here. All right. Let's see what's in this guy. Now I upgraded from, I can't remember what the one that I was on. I was at the $39 one. And I upgraded to the $59 one. So let's see what kind of joy and goodness this brings me. I'm going to try, there's a bigger box here. And I'm going to try to, well, maybe the box is what I can feel. Oh, come on. Ooh, it's a blue box. Let's see. Whoops. Nobody saw the magic there. Nobody saw the magic there. All right. Let's see what this is. I haven't peeked at anything. I don't know if there's anything around it. Oh. Okay, it's gonna give me a hard time. Here we go. There we go. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited. All right. There we go. Cut. Oh, cool. Look at this, everybody. Look at this. I don't even know if I put Oswald as one of my preferences, but when I think about it, I love Oswald so much. And here he is. Look at this. It's a showcase item. How cute is he? Oh my god, I love him. I seriously do. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at that face. And look at this tail and his feet. Oh, I love him. My gosh. I can't even remember if I have Oswald down there, but I need to. And he's like got glitter on his ear over here and on his shoe over here. It's just perfect. Just perfect. Exactly what I would love. He's going to go on the shelf back here for sure. All right. Wow. Starting off with a bang. Let's see. I don't know if there's going to be anything else in here because there's got to be the head visual. Oh no. There's something else in here. There is a dog collar. Dog tails. Let's open it up. I wonder if this will fit my dog. She's got a little chubby neck now. She's a small dog, but she's got a chubby neck. She's next door at my mom's place. I think this might fit her. How cute. Look at that. And my dog always, people always think my dog is a boy. So I always try to give her things that make her look like a girly girl. So that's cute. Anything else that I'm missing? I don't think so. Okay. So let's look at the packing slip. Packing slip. Disney Brito Oswald figurine is $0. What? Why does it say $0? Disney Parks exclusive Disney Tails, pink princess dog collar, $17.99. Am I reading this wrong? It looks like it says $0. Does it say $0 to you? My eyes are so bad. Anyway, the total value of my box is $67.99. I paid $59.99. It's just perfect. I love it. This figurine, I didn't even know it existed. I didn't ask for it, but I love it so much. This is like the best. I never knew that this existed. Thank you, Bibbidi family. If you like what you saw here, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell for notifications, and please do like this post. It really does help us out. You can always reach us on Twitter at CCC Disney Uni, or me personally at Lojav, or you could visit our website at www.castlescapesandclones.com. Thanks again, everybody, and have a happy Thanksgiving.